Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching Wallpaper Engine right after installing it from Steam. Make sure you're signed in so Workshop Access works. Once open, minimize distractions and close full-screen programs so changes apply smoothly. Now use the Browse tab to inspect local presets or go to Workshop to subscribe to community wallpapers. You're doing this to guarantee textures and effects download completely. Once done, pick one wallpaper to load so we can move into configuration and performance tuning in the next step. You've loaded a wallpaper. Now customize it to match your system and taste. Open Properties to set playback FPS, resolution scaling, and which monitor displays it. This matters for performance and multi-monitor setups. If you need deeper edits, click Edit to add or remove layers, import images or video, and enable audio reactive options for dynamic behavior. Make sure to test performance at different FPS settings while observing CPU/GPU usage, so you keep a balance between visual fidelity and smooth system operation. You're ready to apply your configured wallpaper. Hit Apply and confirm it's active on the intended monitor. Once running, use pause or performance mode when gaming or using heavy apps, and add exclusions for full-screen programs to prevent interference. If the wallpaper stutters, check GPU drivers and power settings, disable conflicting overlays, or lower FPS and resolution scaling. If problems persist, restart Wallpaper Engine or reinstall the affected wallpaper. These steps usually resolve corrupted files or subscription sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.